How to set up account alerts in Fifth Third Bank. First of all, open your web browser and go to the official Fifth Third Bank website at 53.com. Then log into your online banking account using your user ID and password. Next, once you are logged in, you will see your account dashboard and find the alert section. Then click on it. After that, choose from different alert types like balance alert, transaction notification, deposit alerts, or security warnings based on what you want to monitor. Next, select a specific account for which you want to receive alerts and set your preferred conditions such as getting notified if your balance falls below a certain amount or when a large transaction happens. You can choose how you want to receive these alerts, typically by email or text message depending on the options available on the website. Make sure to save your selections to activate the alerts. You can always return later to update, add, or remove alerts as needed. Once set up, these alerts will help you keep track of your account activity and stay informed about important changes. And that's it. Now you know how to set up account alerts in Fifth Third Bank. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.